Okay, once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our introduction webinar on the VVTech NovoTouch panel. Thank you for being with us today in such large numbers. My name is Nikita. I'm a sales manager for NovoConnect product family in France. And today I'm going to show you how this new all-in-one solution can redefine how we present, collaborate, and connect across classrooms, boardrooms, and hybrid environments. This session is structured into two parts. First, we'll take a deep dive into the features and use cases, focusing on how this panel simplifies workflows and enhances communication. Then I will give you a hands-on look on how it works in real time. Feel free to drop your questions in the chat. We'll address them toward the end. And let's get started. So first of all, the NovoTouch Windows is an addition to the NovoTouch family product range. This addition is oriented towards corporate customers. According to the market data, Microsoft holds a lion's share of 90% of corporate workplaces. This is largely due to the variety of tools available to the IT managers to control, manage, and deploy apps on users' PCs. It was important for us to adapt to this customer base. If you remember from the very beginning of the interactive flat panel business with VVTech, we provided our team managers with the remote manager tool. Today, with the NovoTouch Windows, we give them an opportunity to use exactly the same software that they use to manage their users' PCs. The NovoTouch Windows, it's not just a screen. It's a 65 or 75-inch 4K UHD collaborative powerhouse with integrated 13-megapixel camera and a 6-array microphone. It runs on Windows, obviously, with built-in presentation capabilities and full support for digital whiteboarding and video conferencing. What makes it special is its seamless integration. You no longer need a separate PC, a web camera, whiteboard, or cables. It's all packed in this one device, whether you're in a Zoom meeting, Teams, Google Meet, or annotating on a web page, the experience is intuitive and efficient. Imagine walking into a room, starting a meeting, sharing your screen wirelessly, annotating in real time, and saving everything instantly, all with one touch. So now let's talk about something just as important as features, the ergonomics and ease of use of the NovoTouch Windows panel. One of the key strengths of this solution is how intuitive and comfortable it is for everyday users. The user interface is clean, modern, built with clarity in mind, featuring large touch-friendly buttons on the front page, simple navigation, and direct access to the most popular tools like video conferencing, whiteboarding, and session management. The home screen and the sidebar are structured so that even the first time user can launch a Zoom call, start a whiteboard, or access saved content in just one or two taps. No training needed. And let's not forget the small ergonomic detail that make a big impact. Front-facing USB-A and USB-C ports make it easy to plug any device without reaching or messing with cables. In short, the NovoTouch Windows panel feels natural to use. It is fast, accessible, and efficient. Whether you're a teacher, a team leader, or an IT administrator, this device adapts to you, not the other way around. Video conferencing. This is exactly where the panel shines. The 13-megapixel integrated camera offers a wide angle of view, perfect for small to medium meeting rooms. The 6-microphone array captures voices clearly with a range of up to 8 meters. For the large sizes meeting room or boardrooms, we provide a Windows-based 92-inch panel, 21:9 ratio, which can adapt to any camera available on the market, suited for such size of rooms. You can launch Teams, Zoom, Google Meet directly from the home screen. One click, you join via the integrated Outlook calendar, ensures you never miss a call. Here's a tip. Color-coded calendar entries help you separate in-person events and remote meetings. That kind of thoughtful details improves daily productivity. Wireless presentation is central to the NovoTouch value. With macOS, AirPlay, and Windows Miracast compatibility, it supports seamless mirroring without dongles or setup time. Up to 64 participants can connect at once, and two can share their screen simultaneously. You can use your laptop as primary screen and extend the panel as secondary screen. Presenters love to show slides on the screen and their notes on the other, just like I do. The two-screen mirroring boosts productivity and flow. Quick example. In a Teams workshop, two participants present different slides, then annotate them together. This level of wireless collaboration is what sets NovoTouch apart. Screen sharing. Let me talk about some of the use cases. Picture a hybrid boardroom meeting. Some participants are in the room, others remote. You join a team calls directly from the panel, and in-room users are captured clearly thanks to the built-in 13-megapixel camera. You wirelessly share a sales report from your laptop using AirPlay or NovoConnect and mark the key figures, the annotation tools. Everything is saved and shared by QR code. In education, for example, a teacher can use a whiteboard feature to run an interactive math lesson. Students can cast their screens to share the work. The teacher saved the session, including annotation, links, and send it to the absent students via email or QR code. The whiteboard feature is powerful, yet very easy to use. It supports 20-point touch, so multiple users can write simultaneously. Use your finger, stylus, or even gloves. You can import annotator over a video, PDF, or a web page. It is ideal for design reviews, training, or brainstorming. Each annotation can be saved as a part of the session, along with screenshots and user-shared content. Session Manager keeps everything organized. No need to save manually. Just scan a QR code at the end to take the files with you. It's a game changer for education and recurring team meetings. Security and IT control are essential. With NovoTouch, you can clear the session to remote users' data after each session. Admin can configure the panel to disable or enable guest sharing, adjust calendar sync settings, and restrict app usage. The system supports 16:7 usage, so it's built for reliability, ideal for lobbies, conference rooms, or digital classrooms in constant use. And of course, you can block access to critical settings via PIN code or admin log. Under the hood, this is a seriously capable machine. 4K resolution, 3mm anti-glare toughened glass, and 20 points touch input. Connectivity includes HDMI in and out, USB-C with power and data, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and dual RG45 ports for network redundancy. Need to plug in a laptop USB drive? The front panel has USB and USB-C ports for quick access. You can even change your device while using it. For IT administrators, the OPS slot means full control over the Windows environment with standard 80-pin Intel module, which we provide together with the pad. So let's quickly recap why NovoTouch Windows stands out. It's a true all-in-one panel. It supports 64 participants wireless presentation. It has integrated video conferencing, smart session management, beautiful, durable, and hardware with enterprise-grade connectivity. And now let's move to a live demonstration. I'll show you how to join a Zoom call, wirelessly share a screen, annotate in real time, and save the session. Ready? Let's explore the NovoTouch in action. So as I mentioned a little earlier, here is the welcome page of the NovoConnect stage, the software that powers the NovoTouch Windows. On the top part of the interface, you can personalize the welcome message for the customers attending the meeting. You can also input your logo very easily. Just go into settings, select a file, go to the logo and welcome message, and personalize it. It gives a truly personalized experience for your meeting rooms. Here, you see the name of the panel. Imagine a building, a corporate building with several screens installed. So every time you go into a meeting room, you just select the one you are attending, click on present, and you're on stage. Here, as mentioned earlier, easy access to video conferencing, online meeting. We support Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, all accessible from this interface. If you have an in-person meeting, the whiteboard that I mentioned earlier, it's more than just a whiteboard. It's actually a canvas with unlimited reading space. So you can move as far as you want. Also, an important feature for in-person meetings, in the whiteboard, you can insert a PDF file. For example, let's take it here. And annotate directly over the shared presentation. Easy, isn't it? Add as many pages as you want. And once you're done with the meeting, just click on Session Manager here, scan a QR code that will share the file via Wi-Fi or LAN connection. Basically, it supports two networks. You can integrate it into the internal network using the RG45 cable for employees and Wi-Fi to the guest network. Scan the QR code. It will save everything on your smartphone directly. And the most important part, the seamless integration of Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendars. As I mentioned, the in-person meetings will appear in orange. The remote meetings will appear with a blue bar close to it. 15 minutes before the meeting, you will have a button, Join. Once you click on it, you're directly opening the web conferencing system you use and connect to the panel. And probably the most important one, let me show you the features of the built-in camera. Here we go. Say hello to all my colleagues. As mentioned, the microphone supports up to 8 meters away from the screen. I can assure you can hear me clearly, even from further distance to the screen. So here we go. So don't hesitate to ask your questions through the chat. I'm happy to answer them.